Warf diving service here. It is March 8th. We're at the vessel's slow flight. Got her cleaned up, still working on the starboard side. So I'm going to show you a little bit of the side we haven't cleaned yet. Still got to get some at the water line. I'll show you the side that was completely cleaned. We're not trying to make it look like a shiny Corvette under there. We're just trying to remove the heavy fouling so that we can make sure your paint lasts a long time and that you're moving efficiently and cooling in the water. So we're going to get this side cleaned up the rest of the way, and then I will get you a video for this next Monday. Thank you for choosing the S5.